These right here are pant styles every dude needs in their wardrobe. You need to understand, if you have these 6 in your wardrobe, you need nothing else. With these 6 base pants, you can build any outfit you want, whether it's streetwear, whether it's casual, whether it's hype, whether it's dressy. I got you covered with these 6 pairs. Let's go. Number 1, it's your chinos. This is that in-between casual and dressy, where you want something that really makes you dress up a little bit more than casual, but you don't want to be as suffocating as a suit. That's when you put in a chino. And the beauty with chinos is that now, if you get them in a looser cut, you can actually even dress them down even more. And the more tailored they are, they're usually a little bit dressier. So this is up to your prerogative. Basically, depending on your style, you can choose the fit here. But a good khaki or navy chino, it's a staple in every dude's wardrobe. You got a chino, you're pretty much covered on all your bases. And I'm gonna link down below every single pant I'm talking about. They're all from random brands like H&M, Zara, Levi. They're all over the place, so I'll link the ones that I'm wearing currently that you guys can check out. Number 2 are Carpenter pants. This one I just got put on pretty recently. Not gonna lie, I freaking love them. They're durable, they're rugged, they're tough. It's part of that workwear attire, and honestly, I'm digging it. Obviously, it's more of a casual pant, so out of the entire list, I would add this as the optional piece, or I would leave this last. But a good Carpenter pant, it feels solid. Like, this is the type of pant that it feels like you buy it now, you're gonna have it for 5-6 years, and you feel like a badass in them. Number 3, loose cut denim. Actually, I'm wearing them right now. I think these are the 505s by Levi's. This will change your life. If you're used to wearing skinny jeans, I want you to do something for me. Actually, I want you to do something for yourself. Buy 1 pair of straight cut, classic cut denim. I promise you, you'll probably never put that pair of skinny jeans again. Not only is it the most comfortable thing you'll ever wear, it's actually breathable. Look, I used to wear skinny jeans. I know how it feels taking those off. They feel like leggings, honestly. And on a hot, sweaty day, it is unbearable. You make your move to loose cut denim, you ain't never looking back. Which moves us on to number 4, dark colored denim. Now in this denim, I actually like to be more tailored. Not skinny, but tailored. I want it to be fitted. Kind of like what I mentioned in chinos. The looser you go, the more casual the outfit's gonna be. The more tailored and fitted the pant is, the dressier it's gonna be. So when it comes to dark denim, I like it to be tailored because this is gonna be my dressy denim. This is the one that you can dress up with a nice sweater, with a nice button down, with some loafers, and you're gonna look put together while still wearing a casual piece. Number 5, cotton joggers. Again, when it comes to comfortability, it's unbeatable. This is that one piece that makes men look more attractive, desirable, but it feels like you're in a blanket. It feels like you're still at home. If you don't have a good pair of cotton joggers in your wardrobe, you already know you're slacking and your wardrobe is missing a key piece. And the beauty with cotton sweats is that yes, you can wear them in an athletic format, but you can also dress them up. I've used them with a top coat and sneakers, and it looks a little bit more leveled up. You can run errands. You can even do a day date with that. You're gonna look good. And finally, number 6, they're cargos. Now, when it comes to my cargos, they come in every size, so you can wear them in your sweats, you can wear them in a chino fabric. All those look great. If you're just gonna have one, buy some in a tech fabric. So usually cargos are associated with tech wear. What you're looking for is a fabric that's more tech oriented, so it's more breathable or it's waterproof. Now the beauty of this is it's gonna add versatility to your wardrobe. Like I said, the goal with all 6 pieces in your wardrobe is that it gives you a wide array of styles that you can try out in your outfit. So you got everything from casual to hype to dressy, and now you even got tech wear. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, if you're in New York City, don't forget to download Our Way, where you can do same-day delivery on all your favorite products. Yo, talk about Christmas shopping. You ain't even got to go to a store. That's it for me today. See you next time.